Greetings! I am Peter, and these are my teammates, Alex and Sam. We are the Galactic Hamsters, and we come to you today from a hamster ball far, far away, located in Ohio to be exact. I am the creative lead and idea man for the Galactic Hamsters, and my time was spent creating the visual imagery for the Galactic Hamsters, such as the display board, and helping out in building and programming wherever I was needed. This game is called Rampaging Robot Rodent Recovery. It is a game of tag with robots, specifically robots in hamster balls. We have these two robots. This is an example of one of them, which are robots in hamster balls, and which are chased around by this, which is the chaser bot. We created this game to experiment with robots working together in a cooperative fashion, and to get the youth of this country, and well, actually everybody else, interested in robotics. To explain the specifics of the robots, how they work, and how they communicate, Sam.
Alright, I'm Sam, and I am the head programmer for the Galactic Hamsters. This is the chaser bot, which does the chasing of the hamster balls. It has a flashlight on it, which it uses to tag the hamster balls and to make them stop. And it also has an infrared beacon on it, which they run away from. It also has a color sensor here, which sees these colored dots on the floor and gives you extra time in addition to the 60-second time limit which is imposed on the game. It's controlled by this, which is the controller, which uses a rotation sensor for the speed of the robot and two touch sensors for the turning. To explain the hamster bots, here's Alex.
My name is Alex, and I am the one who built these robots in hamster balls. The robots inside the hamster balls are relatively simple, having two sensors and two motors each. One motor inside the hamster ball is attached to the axle inside the ball and turns the ball itself. The other one swings the rate of the brick back and forth so that it can have its full turning capacity. One sensor inside the ball is the light sensor, which is sensitive enough to the flashlight so that we can tag our robots. The other sensor is an infrared or IR seeker, and it can determine the whereabouts of the beacon on the chaser robot and is programmed to tell the robot to run away from the beacon. This other robot I have in my hand is just a brick. It sets the level of difficulty for the program, and it tells these hamster robots to go. If this brick has not told these robots to go, and the beacon is not turned on, then the robots will not go. Both the brick has to say yes, and the beacon has to be on for these robots to move. Now, we will demonstrate our game for you.
And I will be narrating. First off, Alex is setting the difficulty of the game, and Sam is turning on the flashlight and establishing the connection to the chaser bot, and they have just set off the robot. And Sam has run over the green power-up. The light will, on the back, will flash when he runs over the power-up, like that. That means he's been awarded extra time. He will have to get close enough to the robot so that they can see the light from the flashlight. From far away, the light is diffuse enough that the light sensor has trouble detecting it. When a hamster bot is caught, it will flash its light sensor a few times, resulting in a red light. He's going for the red power-up, and he apparently already got it. It's just why it wouldn't flash. The blue hamster bot is cornered. Time to catch it. That beep that he just heard was the robot letting us know the time remaining. The beats will get faster and higher pitch as the game goes along. Hamsterbot collisions. Oh, the blue hamster ball has been caught. It's flapping its light and making sounds. Only the yellow hamster bot remains. Can he catch it within the time limit?
You're using the very fast again.
Rough seems to be eluding him by running around the outside of the track. Oh, has he tricked it? No. It runs away again. Barely. Dance time is running out.
Oh.
Game over.
Hamster ball wins!
Thank you for watching our project today. We would like to ensure that you realize that no hamsters were harmed in the making of this presentation, and thank you once again